Hey guys, Tuesday, July 9th, US session closed. Let's see what the Black Widow did today. As you can see, volume, the Bears came back. You got this nice pop yesterday, and they pushed it even higher in the US session, high as 244. I got that right? Yep. And then pulled it back. So I have this area right here highlighted. That's anywhere between 249 to 244. You can see that we kissed it there and retreated. This is a 3-month, and I'm watching this area. This area right here is using 1 year. This is another area here that I'm watching. We'll go straight to the daily simple glance because nothing's really changed. Nothing's really changed on the monthly and the weekly. So let's just look at the daily. So far, nothing much. I mean, looking at the regular candles, we still got our MACD crossover. You can see volume. I've changed things up here a little bit. So volume negative. We got this pop 244 now down to like 234. Now we want to see where our Hakanashis are looking at. And so far, it looks like it wants to turn. I'll give it that. This is what it typically kind of looks like. Very, very narrow. It doesn't look like one of these. So far, this is looking a little positive. So let's see. Just remember, Tom D. Mark knife candle kicks in pretty much Wednesday. And let's see what this is going to do. Is it going to do a light, little spike to the downside? And then that's our, turning point. We'll see. It's one of the techniques that I like to watch also. Let's go straight into our geometry side of trading. And you can see that we almost found support at this 25%, but we bounced and kissed the 75% from these two swing points. Never got to get at least above the 50% off the APF. So this has been a nice little short here. I didn't trade it today because I'm waiting for the long side. So I mean, whoever got this little scalp, kudos. But I also wanted to show you another thing here. I guess it was a weekly MMM. So we remember our 152 low. Gann was very into price and time. So one of Gann's theory, he says, always look for price spitting up cycles into the future. You know what that leads us to? 152 days. So price and time will dance together. Does it always work? No, but it's always good to watch these things. So 152 days, give or take. I have 151, takes us around July the 19th, then the 22nd. So I'm assuming July the 19th is a Friday because we jump right away to the 22nd. So just keep an eye on that. I mean, can we explode and do a high from there? That's what in theory it would indicate. But nonetheless, whatever happens, we want to keep an eye around July the 19th because that kind of lines up with price and time in regards to this date around there. Let's go into our midpoint chart. Nothing's really changed on the weekly chart. On the daily chart, we have penetrated 242, but then failed. These are the market profile levels I'm watching. You can tell right here, it just fell and pushed lower. Mobos are negative. You got this pretty much like a snapback. So nothing there. On the 4 hour using the weekly levels, we almost kissed 245. We went as high as 244-ish. And mobiles are still positive. Just a lot of snaps. Just getting a lot of chop. So PPS buy, now PPS sell. We haven't closed below the MOBO, which is 232. So we want to keep at least above 231 for the week. But so far, that's where we're at. And the trend is, semi up, because we still have white candles. But you know what? I was messing around. This is I put a 6-hour time frame here just to cut the noise down. Let's look at the 4-hour. My bad. So this is what I normally have, my 4 hours. So PPS buy, and yep, 244, and now PPS sell, and we cracked the MOBO, because I was thinking, I know we cracked the MOBO on the 4 hour, because I saw it. And obviously your low of last week was 231. So let's see if this holds and then we bounce, or we just kind of consolidate until, the real move is going to, reveal itself. Which is not, if it's not in this week, is probably definitely going to be next week, but that's just me speculating. As you can see, the MOBOs, it's now cutting in. And you can see that our snapback, and now the Stokes are retreating. So if the pressure continues, that could help, with the Tom indicator 9, maybe a little lower, but we'll see. But this is the line in the sand, and we never got to close above it, which is 245. And you guys already know these levels down here. If we do this sell off into the overnight and US session, right here, you can look at my other video this morning where I talk about this level on the daily, which is the daily chart levels with the 4 hour. You see that we almost kissed the range here. So this was a great scalp if you were quick. And now PPS sell signal on the hour chart. Is it the hour? No, you see I was messing around with this. So let's put the hour chart. Now it looks better. So we almost kissed it, which is at 245. And now we cracked the MOBO, PPS sell signal. It made a low around 234. So the line in the sand, well, you got two. This is for today, which is 232. And now we have to, if this is the turning point, we're going to go up. We need to close now above 238. We have a tough time in the overnight session and fail and kind of sideways here. They might push it lower, but this is the line in the sand. So if we could get above there, targets to the upside, if it's going to start just now grinding higher, you got the 244, obviously the 247 and the 250 level. But if we can get above here and we go below, you're going to kiss at least the low of the overnight session of today, 233, all the way down to 230 to 227. So those are your key levels for tomorrow. And lastly, Gann square of 9, you can see 244. The key level you probably want to watch is 248 to 249. And we are already now at 234 right here. So pretty much we did all this to go over here, hit some stops to go back down, close below 241 and get down to like 233, 234, back to the zero line. So it was pretty much put lipstick on the pig, put high heels, put some perfume on her, and then take it to the slaughter, go back down. And I'm sure they probably want to maybe, push it even lower with the Tom D mark coming into, today, once the new candle opens. So just be on alert. If they're going to really flush it, I think they could probably push it down to 219, 218. Extreme 212, 214. But I think they'll probably, some here probably will like stall. I'm going to sign out. Hope you like this video, and I'll keep you posted on my thoughts on Natgas.